In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted transactions in QuickBooks. If you've deleted a transaction by mistake, don't worry. In QuickBooks, deleted transactions usually can't be brought back with a single restore button, but you can use the audit log to find the original details and then recreate the transaction correctly. After that, you can reconcile it again if needed. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening QuickBooks and going to your main dashboard. Once you're in, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Audit Log. This is where QuickBooks keeps a record of activity, including deleted and voided transactions, so it's the best place to investigate what was removed and when. Inside the audit log, click the Filter button. In the Show or Events section, check the box for transactions, then select Deleted or Voided Transactions. This helps narrow the results so you're only looking at the entries that matter for this task. If you already know roughly when the transaction was deleted, adjust the date range to make the search faster and easier, then click Apply. Now look through the filtered list and find the transaction you need. Once you locate it, click View in the History column. This is an important step because it lets you see the original transaction details. Take your time here and make sure you review everything carefully, since you'll use this information to recreate the transaction as accurately as possible. Next, click the plus new icon on the toolbar to create a new transaction. Enter the same details shown in the audit history so the replacement matches the deleted one. Accuracy matters here, especially for transaction type, date, amount, and account information, because even a small difference can affect your books and reports. After recreating the transaction, go to the Accounting menu and select Chart of Accounts. Find the account connected to that transaction and choose View Register. In the register, locate the recreated transaction, then click the box in the checkmark column repeatedly until you see an R. Once the R appears, click Save. This marks the transaction as reconciled again. And that's it. You've now restored the deleted transaction by recreating it from the audit log and updating its reconciliation status. If you're working through several deleted items, repeat the same process one at a time to keep everything organized and accurate.